guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dora and this is my dog Carmen, and today we will be making a peach mocktail. Mocktails are like a cocktail for kids, so it is alcohol free, so let's get started. So what you're going to need is some peach, a few mints, some lemon juice, and some oolong tea in hot water, and then you're just going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. And a cocktail set if you want. So I use this type of oolong tea. You can use whatever type you have. So yeah, let's get started. So you're going to first take this cocktail shaker. You're going to open it and you're going to put in your peach. Like this. So I have one whole peach in here, and then you're going to take the masher and then you're going to start and mash it. You want to mash it into a jam-like texture, so you want most of the peaches to dissolve like this. After you have mashed the peach, it should be like this. It is a liquid. It should be liquidy and a little bit clumpy. And then next you're going to take your mint leaves. So I have just washed them. You can break them, but like this, just in half, and then you're going to pop them back in here, and then you're going to take your masher again, and you're going to just mash it until the mint flavor comes out. So after you mash it, you should be able to smell the mint flavor a little bit. So now you're going to take your oolong tea, take out the tea bag, put it in another bowl, and then you're going to take your lemon juice. This is just 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and about a cup of oolong tea. And then you're just going to dump it in here. Next, you're going to put on the cap like this. And then you're going to shake it a little bit. Like this. So after you have added the oolong tea and shaken it, it should be like this. And then you're going to add in some of your sweetener. I just took agave and I put 1 part agave and 1 part water in here to make this syrup. And now you're going to take ½ an ounce of this agave syrup, and then you're going to pour it in here. So now you're going to put on the cap again, and then you're going to shake it another time. So just a little bit of shake to get the agave syrup even, and then you're going to pour it in your cup. So like this. You're going to take both of your cups, and then you're going to pour about half of each, half into each, like this. And then you're going to take some water. So you're going to put in some regular water. Help me close it. You're going to pour in the water for both of the cups. You're going to leave about maybe 1 inch in the top, and you're going to take your ice spoon and you're going to spoon about a few cubes of ice. If you're going to drink this like very fast, like a afternoon tea or something, you can crush the ice in like a Vitamix, and then you can pour the crushed ice in here. But if you want it to be sort of like a soft serve drink, you can just take big cubes of ice and then pour it in here. So after you have poured the ice, it should be like this. And then you can just serve it, put the cap right up. Like this. And then you can serve it to your guests for a summer party or a BBQ party. Okay, sit. Come and sit. Sit. Okay, sit, Carmen. Touch. Good girl. You like this? You like this? So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Come and say bye.